Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 23rd of March, 2024. This is my weekly analysis video where we have a look at some of the Forex pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. So first up, thanks for watching, everyone. If you do like the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. I know they're not the most exciting videos on the planet, but we're just trying to get the message across and go through a few things that we've done during the week. I hope everyone's weekend's going okay. My football team had a great win yesterday, so that's it's always good to have an early game on the weekend, so you can relax. All right, let's have a look at the let's get into it. First up, we'll have a look at the news for the week ahead. So this is the Forex Factory Free Economic Calendar. It's a big week last week. Few unexpected things. I think with the Swiss interest rate reduction, that was a sort of first of probably countries around the world will start reducing rates. All right, next week, Monday, nothing. Tuesday, just CB consumer confidence, CPI numbers out of Australia on Wednesday. Thursday starts to pick up a little bit. Just a little bit of news, nothing major there. GDP out of Canada, final GDP numbers out of US, unemployment claims out of US. Then Friday, oh, it's public holiday. What's that for? Easter, must be Easter, is it? Must be close. We're in March, I don't know. It just shows you how out of touch you are when you live in a country that doesn't celebrate the chocolate bunny, whatever it is. Yeah, it looks like Easter, I'd say, looking at Good Friday. So probably a pretty quiet day there, I'd expect. Yeah, UK holiday, Australia holiday, New Zealand, Canada. Good old US doesn't celebrate it. All right. Yeah, so it's a quiet week for the news ahead. So nothing to get too excited there compared to last week, which is huge. All right, first up, we'll bring up this Word document. Where is it? This one. This just goes over what's on the charts, the different colors, different settings, etc. Most of the people watch these videos have read, understand this. You've read the books, you know the setups. You're following me, so it's probably nothing new to you. But if you're not sure, have a read of this. And like always, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Any of the platforms in the Facebook group and the Telegram channels. No longer in Discord, as you know by now. Yeah, feel free to email me if you wish, admin@jagfx.com. So yeah, you can read that just at your leisure. Pause the video, take a screenshot. And sometimes it helps for people that English is not their first language. And I do add subtitles to my videos, but obviously the subtitles are in English, if that makes it easy for you. All right, let's get on the charts then. Let's go to trading view. This is going to be a quick video because I've got to go out shortly. All right, this is trading view. I do all my analysis on trading view. Most of my trading is actually done on MT5 these days, but I don't trade off trading. It's easy to draw charts up in that. So this is an alphabetical list. It's not all the Forex pairs. As you can see, it's just a sample list. I'm not a trade signal provider. These are just trade entry examples and some trade management examples. That's all I'm here, just to support people that have read my books and just want a bit more refinement on the method itself and see it live in action. All my trades are called at the time. There's no after the fact. So when I take a trade, I call it in the group. For me, the new daily candles at 4 a.m. local. I'm in Cambodia. That's the 5 p.m. New York. I'm not getting out of bed at 4 a.m. Sometimes I do because I got strange sleep patterns. But generally, my alarm's set for 6:30. I get out of bed at 6:30, check the charts, call the trades, take a screenshot, share it in the group. Any trade management's also called in the group. So it's done on a daily basis and every 24 hours, basically. So if it's my list here, highlighted in dark blue. Dark blue means there's trade on, no action taken, no highlight, no trade. In yellow means I want to talk about something in this video. Light blue means trade or trades on, some action's being taken. So trade management, basically. All right, we'll start with the Aussie. We're in a sell trade from here. It went down. I was a bit concerned about this. So you can see the MACD's above the zero level. I think this is my second attempt at it. I stopped out in the first one. So the first one here, the MACD platinum stayed above the zero level. It was hidden bearish divergence. So like I always say, I always think hidden hidden divergence works out pretty well. And in this case, it would have if you'd done the hedging. My new book, which will be released very, very shortly. We just have a few problems with graphics. I think it's been sorted. I go into this hedging. So we'll cover that later once the book's released. But this sell here is working out nicely. My own concern is this 65-cent level, this green dashed line. It's a big round number. Ideally, I'd like to see it broken to the downside. For my bank account, I wouldn't because I get paid, all my money's in US, gets converted to Australian dollars. So it's not great. And everything in Cambodia is in US dollars, so it's a pain. So we're coming down now again. We popped up, but the news was kind to us, and we're coming back down to the level there. So MACD platinum still above the 0 level. I'll probably look to bring the stop down above this high here or something like that. I just want to see it break that to the downside. So that's Aussie USD. Euro CAD, I think I'm going to sell trade, going nowhere fast. It's a high risk trade against a trend, but I like this support level here, and it seems to have sort of, what happened there? That support level, oh, geez, what have I done? What have I done? What happened to that line? I'll try another one. Sorry about that. I'll pause the video and we'll get going here. Pause. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know where my red line disappeared to. I think it's probably up here somewhere else. So, that resistance level on price, it sort of held, didn't go near the stop. Now start to head down. It's going nowhere. MACD platinum's near the 0 level. So I might just tighten that stop up if nothing happens here. It's just going nowhere fast. Euro pound, highlighted in orange, means I want to talk about it. Stopped out on the sell trade. Took the sell trade here on the 11th of March. You can see my notes there. Had this nice resistance level. I extended that line across. I had an opposite QMP filtered dot here, as you can see marked by this grey line here. I could have got out then, and that would have saved me this grief, but I was hoping, and I took a chance. I possibly, in hindsight, I probably should have reduced my position size or something like that. I should have called that, but I didn't. I held it, and the next day it sort of vindicated me a bit, went down, but then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, undecided. News comes out, and bang, up she goes. Poked through there, stopping me out on the Friday, 22nd of March for a full loss. So in hindsight, I probably messed that up. Probably could have saved myself at least half of that. Not to be. Live and learn. MACD platinum still above the 0 level, so potentially looking for another sell signal here. Just see what sort of divergence is forming now. Let's have a quick look. Well, we've got have a look at bearish divergence. I should have done this already, but we can go from sort of this high here up to that high, and we've still got lower. Yeah, it's lower there, so it's still potential divergence forming. Just keep it. I just adjust that every day until it's no longer valid, then just delete it. So we're stopped out of the euro pound. Euro USD, orange. My buy trade from the 16th of Feb is eventually stopped out on Friday on the news. Came down, poked through. There it is there. So what did I do? 23rd of Feb closed half. So let's say that's in 23rd of Feb. Didn't give me much time, did it? 23rd, yeah, starting. MACD platinum through the 0 level. Yeah, there's not much I could do there. Poked up into the MAs, closed half. It's eventually gone up. I had nowhere really to put my stop. There's no obvious place, so I put it there. Took the sell trade on the 15th of March. Went in my favour initially, then popped up early in the week, but Thursday and Friday come down nicely. Took out the stop. So still in the sell. MACD platinum's getting close to the 0 level. So what I'll probably do, give it one more day or so, and then close half and probably drag the stop down here somewhere. Lock it a bit of profit. Put myself in a no-lose position. Didn't lose on the buy. Trying to not lose on the sell either. The buy's finished. I just leave it on the video, on the chart, to show you guys and girls what happened. So we're stopped out. Once the video's done, I'll tidy up this chart. You won't see that again. Pound CAD's also highlighted in orange. Again, similar sort of thing. On 14th of Feb, took a buy. Initially went against me, but didn't touch my stop. Come up nicely. 29th of Feb, closed half. So up here somewhere. So on the open of this candle up here, closed half. It's gone up. Yeah, probably could have dragged my stop up a bit higher, but generally I like to keep my stop between the moving averages. It's an uptrend, so I try to give those trades a bit of movement, a bit more room to move. This one, I took a sell here. There's a resistance level on price, and I think that extends a fair way to the, yeah, that's a week. I just switched to a weekly chart, so you can see it's a fairly substantial resistance level there, and it seems to have held. We've come down on the Friday. I closed half, so we had this big move down. MACD Platinum's close to the zero level. Price was at the moving averages. Good time when you're going against the trend. Took half, moved my stop down. So had an overall small profit on the buy, and we can't lose on the sell. So looking good on the pound CAD. Again, I'll tidy up this chart once the video's done. Pound yen. What happened here? Still in this buy from the 15th of December. Stops up here. Can't lose on that. There's my trade management. All good there. Took the second buy here, which I didn't really need to, but there was a nice divergence there. You can see the hidden bullish divergence. Took the buy. So it's gone up, popped up nicely, broke the previous high, which is great. But then we had this bearish candle here. And I drew these potential regular bearish divergence lines in. So that's a bit of a early warning signal that a possibility the uptrend is not going to continue because we've got divergence. So I closed half of that buy there on the open of the Friday, which proved to be a good move in hindsight. Dragged my stop up. Can't lose on that buy either. So definitely can't lose on this buy, and we can't lose on that buy. I've already taken some profit, a little bit. That little bit there, it doesn't look like much, but it's probably 150 pips or so, so it's all good. So it's the pound yen looking okay, even though it's probably heading down. Potential for a new sell signal coming, but not yet. New Zealand CAD in a sell, going down nicely. Looks like it's broken the lows here. We'll just extend it down a bit because it's now sort of there, yeah. So we've hit this previous low here. MACD Platinum's definitely through the zero level. We've already closed half, so 19th of March. So in here I closed half, it's just continued down. Ideally, I'll probably move that stop down, just bring it down above the 240 moving average there, something like that. I'll tighten things up on this a bit, but no rush at the moment. USD CAD, I told you it's going to be a quick video. I'm already racing through it. USD CAD in a buy. Again, we've got hidden bullish divergence there, which is good. You know what I think about that. It poked up to the previous high once, then had a couple of down days. Well, one down day. Big candle, then Friday's popped back up again. MACD Platinum's very close to the zero level. We're just below it on the brown, dirty brown line there, or red line, whatever you call it. But I'll be looking at, ideally I want to see this high here taken out, broken. Go up a little bit and just poke through that, and I'll close half, bring my stop up nice and tight. That's the plan anyway. So it's USD CAD. Been a tough bit of trade lately, up and down. I'm never a fan of the USD CAD. I just can't wrap my head around it sometimes. And by the way, my watch list will probably be changing again. I've drilled it down. I've got 10 pairs. I want to swap them out and put it more in line with my private trading. I've just reduced the number of pairs I'm trading because of the style of trading I'm doing. It's just getting too much of a margin. All right, gold. It's highlighting orange or yellow. Stopped out of my sell. Just poked up through there. Took out the previous high. I think that might be an all-time high there. What's that? High, $2,222. That's pretty high for gold. Poked up through it, took my stop out, so I took a full loss on the sell. And the thing is, this sell signal, because there's a red dot there, it's hard to see. The red QMP dot there. There's been no green QMP dot. So that sell signal is still valid. That's why I made a note the other day. Draw this trend line across here. Price breaks through this trend line cleanly. I'll give it one more candle, see how we go. If it breaks through there, I'll consider taking another sell with a stop just above that high. The good thing is I'm still in this buy trade that I've just been seeing like forever, but it's only since the 15th of Jan. Came very close to getting stopped out here, very close, like within a couple of dollars. We weren't. Plenty of opportunities to get back in. There's another buy there. There's a buy there. We didn't take it, but I called them at the time. So I was in there. Plenty of opportunities to get in again. It's gone up nicely. I just want to see the moving averages head up again, and I'll try and lock in some further profit, help offset that loss and that sell, and I'll potentially look for another sell here. Like I said, if I need a clean break of this trend line to the downside, then we'll take another sell. That's gold. It's just stepped out on the 21st. That was the Thursday for that loss there. All right, next three, just for more out of curiosity, US dollar. It's the US dollar against that 6 currencies there. So it's just a basket of pairs. Buy signal there. It's a pretty good buy signal, actually. There's divergence there. I didn't even mark it up on the chart. Sorry about that. Hang on a sec. Let's get this trend line going. Hidden bullish divergence. So we go from there to there. So there's your high lows on price and your lower lows on the MACD Platinum. So nice hidden bullish divergence there. So that's a good buy signal, which I would have taken if I was trading this pair at the moment, which I'm not. So up she goes nicely. And the MACD Platinum's just coming through the zero level now. US 500, US stock market, it's continuing its slow grind up. We're at all-time high, I think. We are. But look at the MACD Platinum. There's big divergence there. It's just, I don't know, death by 1,000 cuts if you're trying to short the market. And BTC, Bitcoin, made a previous new high last week. And just remember, this is a 24/7 market, so you'll have 7 candles for every week. So what are we? Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Last week, new highs up 73,000 roughly. And you can see the divergence forming there. The sell was here. If you'd been stopped out, again, you could have drawn the trend line. This is a good example, like I was looking at gold. So it was a trend line. So you got stopped out of the, say you got stopped out, you just draw sort of trend line across like that. Across the lows there, give or take, doesn't have to be exact. Something like that. Bearish candle here. You've got regular bearish divergence. Take the sell. Be on the open of this account. Come down to the moving averages. MACD Platinum through the zero level. You're out. You're in a good trade. So that's how the divergence, the trend line break, valid signal still. That's how it works. All right, no new trades for Monday. That's it. Quick video, only 17-18 minutes, which is good. They should be all like that. Not much to report. A bit disappointed in getting stopped out in gold, obviously, on that spike up. Just spiked through there, which is really annoying sometimes. And the Euro Pound, which is a pair I don't actually trade in my private trading much, and it'll be one of the ones removed from this watch list. It's just a tough pair to trade at times. Look at this from, what's that, 25th of Jan, late Jan. It's just in that range there. I can extend this out a bit. If it's nothing much changes there, is it? And it just popped up, spiked through my stop, which was getting close to anyway, but I'm not going to claim that by a pip. But all good. That's it, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you do like the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to hit me up. And like I said, all the trades are called in the Facebook group and that, so everyone's more than welcome to join those groups, Telegram channels and Facebook group. No problems at all. Right, enjoy your weekend, stay safe wherever you are, and I'll talk to you good folk next week sometime. Cheers.